Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj presents an educational video for Class 2. Subject: Spoken English and Personality Development. Topic: Park.
Hello children, welcome back to Spoken English and Personality Development class. Do you know why parks are important in our lives? Yes, they are very important in our lives because they help us, our families, and our children to connect with nature. So, with this short note, let's start and watch our next video.
Park. Children, let's begin with the meaning of park. A park is an area of natural, semi-natural or planted space set aside for human enjoyment and recreation or for the protection of wildlife or natural habitats. Urban parks are green spaces set aside for recreation inside towns and cities. Importance of park for children. Parks are great places for children to make important connections with their parents, their peers, and the environment. They are also a great place to improve and maintain kids' physical fitness with play-based activities. Children, when you go to the park, do you notice some things which are found in the park? Yes, there are some important things found in the park, and they are fountain, swings, benches, hedges, fence, plants, when we go to the park, sometimes we see many people doing many things, engaged in many activities. So, some activities observed in the park are some people are found doing jogging. Running. Some people doing yoga. We also see people exercising and cycling. And there are some people busy in gossiping. And some people are busy in walking. Now, whenever we go to the park, we always see a notice written in front of the park. Please keep the park clean. So, do you know how can you keep the park clean? There are few tips by which we can keep our local parks clean. And they are: always use trash can. Provide community services whenever required. There should be no smoking and no drinking in the park. Clean up. So we should always clean up the mess ourselves. And always remember, don't be mean. Keep your surroundings clean. Now there are some equipments present in the park for the children for their fun and enjoyment. They are yes, children enjoy playing on seesaw, slide, monkey bar. Some children love playing on monkey bar. Merry-go-round. Swing. And jungle gym. So always remember, children, keep your parks clean. Put waste in the right place. Also, do not forget, God gave us green. Now let's keep it clean.
I hope you all must have enjoyed watching this video. So have fun, play, be safe in the park with your family and your friends. But also remember, try to develop your personality by trying to communicate in English with your friends and your family members also. Thank you.